All right, hello Algebra 2 students. Welcome to Tuesday, December 1st. Happy December. Christmas is coming at us pretty fast. But I wanted to blast through what we're doing today. So I want to go down to our folder. And for December 1st, one weird kind of thing is I do have a quick little lesson on relative min-max. It's pretty straightforward, but I did not have time to get it in any of the other lessons. So I'm going to throw it at you here today. So please watch that first because there is a quiz question on it. But again, like I said, it's pretty straightforward. So watch that. Then I got a general review video of going over sections 5.1 to 5.3. And then there is a quiz on those same sections 5.1 to 5.3. Please remember you can use your notes on this quiz, but you cannot get outside help. It is a good test to see where we're at. If you do good on this quiz, then you'll know you'll be ready for the test coming up on Friday. So it's really a good test for that. So do your own work, but certainly you can use notes, obviously pencil, paper, calculator, all those things are allowed. So at any rate, good luck with this. If you don't do well on that quiz, maybe reach out to me and we can figure out a time to make sure that we go over the questions from the quiz and be ready for the test. You can also just email me numbers like, hey, I didn't get number 6 from the quiz, and I can make a help video just to help you be as ready as possible for the test. All right, that is all. Have a good day.